Need a break from technology or thoughts of deadlines? Is it difficult to unplug from work? Sometimes you just need to unplug, unload, and unwind. If you are unable to recognize that rising stress, then you cannot find a solution. Heading straight to the gym or TV to zone out after work is not the right approach. Instead, you can do these 5 things. First, follow a closing ritual. Then, take a walk. Spend time with people around you. Read a book or work on your hobby. Want to know how Ayurveda can help you? Read our complete blog on how to unplug after work.